Hello. Today I'm going to discuss Assistant Executive Engineer Civil Opsc Paper 1. Uh, uh, First day I have discussed up to 10 questions. So here I'm going to discuss part 2. Okay. Question number 11. Question number 11. The variation of the bending moment in the segment of a beam where the load is uniformly distributed. Okay, the variation of the bending moment in the segment of a beam where the load is uniformly distributed. So option A 0, option B linear, option C parabolic, option D cubic. So correct option will be option C, that is parabolic. Okay. Question number 12. The maximum bending moment M caused by a concentrated load W at the midspan of a simply supported beam. The maximum bending moment caused by a concentrated load W at the midspan of a simply supported beam. Okay. This is simply supported. Okay, this is by a concentrated load at the midspan. This is point load. Point load is also called as concentrated load. So maximum bending moment will be double L by 4, load or W span L. Okay, so correct answer will be option C. Answer will be double L by 4. Okay. Question number 13. Yes, a simply supported beam with the rectangular cross section is subjected to a central concentrated load. If the width and the depth of a beam is doubled, the deflection at the center of a beam will be reduced. Okay, reduced. So we know simply supported center, the deflection simply supported with the point load, simply supported with the point load, we know WLQ by 4080 EI. Okay, 4080 EI. I कितना BDQ by 12, but here it is given if the width and the depth of a beam doubled, means B हो जाएगा 2B into 2D into 2B into 2D by 12, ये हो जाएगा 16 BDQ by 12. So answer after calculation, answer will coming as option D, that is 6.25%. That is 6.25%. Question number 14. The maximum tensile stress in a cantilever beam, with a concentrated load acting downwards on the span is caused at maximum tensile stress in a cantilever beam with concentrated load acting downwards on the span. Is caused at. This is important question from strength of materials. Option D will be the correct answer. Option D will be the correct answer. Top fiber of earth support. Question number 15. A fixed beam of uniform section is carrying a point load at the midspan. If the moment of inertia of the middle half length is reduced to half its previous value, then the fixed end moment will decrease, increase, and the direction remain constant. Option D will be the correct answer. Question number 16. At a point P, the state of stress is Px 6 MPa, P2 minus 2 MPa, and Qxy 3 MPa. The magnitude of the principal stresses for this state of stress will be the here. Okay, at a point P, the state of stress is Px equals 6 MPa, Py equal minus 2 MPa, and Qx by 3 MPa. The magnitude of principal stresses for this state of stress will be, okay, here first 6 minus 2 by 2 plus or minus 6 plus minus 2 rho whole square plus 3 rho whole square root over. Okay, after that it will coming as 7 and minus 3. Okay, 7 minus 3. Correct option will be option B, 7 minus 3. Okay, question number 7 is the most appropriate failure theory for ductile materials. Okay, this is most important question in every exam. One question must, the most appropriate failure theory for ductile materials is option A, maximum principal stress theory, maximum shear stress theory, maximum shear strength theory, maximum principal strength theory. Option A, maximum principal stress theory. Maximum principal theory belongs to brittle material. Brittle material. Okay. Option A, brittle material. For ductile material, it is option B. Option C क्या है? Maximum shear strain energy theory. It is for ductile pressure valve. Ductile pressure valve. Ductile, option C for ductile pressure valve, also option C correct, but for ductile matter maximum shear stress theory correct. Option A, maximum principal stress theory, is for brittle material. Okay, so correct option B and C. 18. A cantilever beam having length L is subjected to moment M at its free and if flexural rigidity of a beam EI, the deflection at the beam is, this is very easy question. Option D will be the correct answer, ml square by 2 EI. Question number 19, the relationship between, this is also important question, the relation between Young's modulus of elasticity, Bock modulus K and Poisson's ratio equal to 2k minus 2k whole into 1 minus 2 mu. Okay, थोड़ा सा just 1 minute. Equal to 3k 1 plus mu equal to 3k 1 minus mu, so you know this is correct option. Okay, option C. Relationship between Young's modulus, Bock modulus and the Poisson ratio, so correct option will be equal to 3k whole into 1 minus 2 mu. Okay, 20. A beam simply supported at both ends of length L carries two unequal unlike couples M at both ends. If the flexural rigidity A constant, the central deflection equal the central deflection. A beam of simply supported at both the ends of length L carries two unequal unlike couples M at both ends. If the flexural rigidity EI is constant, the central deflection of the beam will be ml square by 4 e ml square by 16 ei ml square by 64 ei ml square by 8 ei. So here correct answer will be option D, ml square by 8 ei. Thanks for part 2 and next I will go for part 3 from 20 to 30. Thank you so much.